Introducing how to Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can do Cash App on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to send money to someone using Cash App, you want to scan the QR code or you want to send money directly, you can simply open up Cash App and log into your account. There are many ways to send money. First is you can scan someone's QR code by tapping this little scan icon from the top left of the screen, scanning it and entering the amount, or you can enter the numbers manually here to the amount that you want to send. Tap the pay option and you need to have either their email address or their cash tag. So once they have the cash tag, you can simply enter them. You can just tap on the pay option over there, and once you tap on the pay option, you will be able to send money to them. And once you've done that, enter which kind of payment method you want, and then you will be able to go ahead and then also tap on the pay option from the top of the screen. This way you can Cash App someone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.